traditional black treacle scones are made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. I'm taking you back in time. 18th, 19th century, we're making black treacle scones. I can tell you right now, you're all going to go, black treacle scones. This is a fantastic, and I mean really fantastic recipe. Superb. The stones come out a brownish colour. In fact, they look like the whole wheat, but they're not. They've got a really subtle malty flavour. They are delicious. But we will be adding a little bit of vanilla. Optional, but we're going to put it in. So to crack it off then, in here I've got some milk, and this is actually sitting on a tub full of boiling water because we want to heat up this a little bit when we put our treacle in, so the treacle will actually dissolve in there. So straightforward treacle out of the tin, and we want a couple of good tablespoons in there. Fantastic. I'm not kidding when I say this is a fantastic recipe. It really, really is. These old-fashioned recipes, you know, that are forgotten, need keeping alive. Yeah, this is just incredible. The flavour profile of this is so subtle. Oh, it's delicious. And I know there's going to be many of you not heard of it, but you know, you have now. So all we're doing, look, is dissolving that black treacle in here with this milk. Okay, there you go. We're just going to put that to one side, and we'll mix up our flour. So we're using the world famous brand Lyle's. So in our bowl we've got self-raising flour. We want to be going in there with some salt, a good pinch of salt, baking powder. I know you're going to say, why baking powder when you're using self-raising flour? But that's going to help bring up that treacle. And a couple of tablespoons of sugar. Give that a little stir around. In there with our butter, and we're going to bring it all together and make breadcrumbs. So it's hands in and just bring it together. Lift, drop, rub between your fingers and thumbs, nice and steady. Okay, we've got this fabulous mix going on there, and we want to be going in there with our milk and treacle. And what we're going to do is just add a little bit of vanilla. Now, vanilla is optional. You don't have to add any vanilla. And then we're just going to bring that in. Just get that turned in there. Okay, now gently bring this together, just gently. Let's not go too crazy on mixing. Okay, that's lightly mixed. That's sort of like brought it together, look. Now we need to get it on our board. A bit of flour on there. and take our dough mix. So just shape it up a little bit. It's not a soggy one, this, you know, and it's going to be cracked by looking at it, but you know. So bring it out a little bit. We don't want to go too thin. About like that. And then you need to take your cutter and you want to cut out some scones. Probably get another couple out of that, look. And then what you do, just take your scones and bob them on a lined tray. Now we need to bring this together, but we don't want to squash it up too much, so these last two could crack, but that doesn't matter. Okay, and then we need to egg wash. Nice and steady, bog standard egg wash. Now you could put milk on if you want, but we're going to go for a golden top. That goes in a preheated oven about 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Take your scones out of the oven. Look at those. So what we'll do is we'll just give them a little minute on there, and then we'll put them on this rack underneath. Let them cool, and then we're going to have some with some fresh butter. Come on, we got to stick with tradition. In there. Oh, come on. Oh, look at that. Traditional black treacle scones are made. Oh, come on. Oh, the butter's melting already. Look at it there. Oh, absolutely fabulous. I love it. Oh, unbelievable. Some more butter on here to melt while we eat this other one. These traditional old recipes are absolutely fantastic. The black treacle through there gives it that lovely malty flavour. Obviously it's got a fantastic brown colour. It is the best way to make scones. We all make traditional English scones and everything with fruit in, just the soft resin flour and everything, the butter, milk, whatever. But you know, the black treacle elevates this way above everything. Traditional Scottish scones made like this, superb. And you can also add a handful of fruit. You know, you could put in 50, 100 grams worth of fruit, stir it all in. You've got fruit scones with the treacle. Elevates it way up there. These traditional recipes need keeping alive. So there you are. If you've never seen black treacle scones before, traditional, north of England into Scotland, very traditional in Scotland, and rightly so. They need keeping alive, so don't forget to share with your friends, tell them about the black treacle scones. And if you like what we're doing, the big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.